Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so activation can succeed. Sign into the Microsoft account that owns the license because activation binds to that identity. Once done, make sure Windows and Office updates are current. Outdated components often block activation. Next, open PowerPoint and go to File Account to view activation status. If you see a message about needing activation, keep this window open. We'll use it for the next steps to repair and re-enter license details. You will repair and re-authenticate to resolve deeper faults. Start with Control Panel or Settings and run Office Quick Repair. If that fails, run Online Repair for a full reinstall of components. Then open Credential Manager to remove stale Office or Microsoft entries so you can re-enter credentials cleanly. After that, sign back into PowerPoint and, if applicable, re-enter your product key under Change License. Finally, run basic diagnostics, Office Activation Troubleshooter or PowerShell checks to confirm product state. You complete activation by finalizing settings and checking common blockers. If online activation still fails, try offline activation for volume licenses or reapply the product key. Make sure system date, time, and region settings are correct because activation validates certificates. Also confirm proxy, VPN, and firewall settings allow Office to reach Microsoft activation servers. If issues persist, capture error codes and activation logs, then contact Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.